I'll be interpreting, but just real quick about the Wayside Center. It's a center that opened this last summer in Faber, Virginia. It's open for community organizations to use to come for trainings and for healing and to start building us radical spaces here in Virginia. So, without further ado, here we have Juan.
¿Qué tal? Buenas tardes, mi nombre es Juan Ramírez.
Good evening, my name is Juan Ramirez.
Venimos de Charlottesville, somos un grupo nuevo, nos estamos integrando apenas al movimiento.
We come from Charlottesville, we are new to the movement and we are trying to weave ourselves into the struggle.
Nuestro motivo es apoyar y que nos apoyen, que nos orienten, qué podemos hacer.
Our motive is to support all the movements and also to ask for support to see how we can organize ourselves and how to move forward.
Sí, nuestro principal motivo es tratar de prevenirnos en contra de las leyes que se están promoviendo.
Our principal motive is to prevent all the passage of all the laws that are being proposed.
En contra de nuestra comunidad latina.
Against our Latino community.
Tan solo la semana pasada despertamos de una pesadilla. Despertamos de una pesadilla. Una persona de nuestra familia cayó en la cárcel y ICE la tomó sin avisar nada.
Just the other day we awoke from a nightmare where a loved person from the community was taken by ICE.
Después de un mes, 6 días, pudimos sacarla bajo fianza, pero tiene que seguir yendo a corte.
And after a month and 6 days, we were able to get him out with bail, but he still has to go back to court.
Y en Charlottesville, nuestra comunidad está siendo detenida por no licencia o por speed limit y lo meten a la cárcel.
And in our community in Charlottesville, people are being stopped and detained for not having license or for driving over the speed limit, and they have to be taken away.
Después de cumplir su sentencia o su culpa dentro de la cárcel, el día que va a salir no lo dejan salir.
And even after serving their time for their violation, when the day comes to get out, they don't let them get out.
ICE lo retiene y lo mueve a otro sitio sin avisar.
ICE keeps them and moves them to another place without warning.
Y es por eso que estamos aquí, queremos apoyo y orientación para saber qué podemos hacer.
And that's why we're here. We want support and we want to learn from y'all on what we can do about it.
Okay, muchas gracias.
Thank you very much.